5 seconds to go. Start. The Supreme Court today, February 17, ruled that a criminal conviction is not required for gratuity forfeiture under the Payment of Gratuity Act, 1972. Stop. Gratuity can be forfeited if the employee's misconduct itself constitutes an offense involving moral turpitude. Stop. The court clarified the law laid down in the case of Union Bank of India and ORS versus Ajay Babu, stating that the observation made in Ajay Babu's case that the forfeiture of gratuity is permissible only upon the criminal conviction was an obiter remark having no binding effect. Stop. A bench of Justices Dhulia and Vinod Chandran considered whether gratuity can be forfeited when employment is terminated due to misconduct constituting an offense involving moral turpitude, even without a criminal conviction or proceeding. Stop. Answering affirmatively, the judgment authored by Justice Chandran interpreted subsection 11 of section 4, which enables forfeiture of gratuity, wholly or partially, if the delinquent employee is terminated for any act which constitutes an offense involving moral turpitude, if the offense is committed in the course of his employment. Stop. Interpreting the term offense under the provision, the court observed, an offense as defined in the General Clauses Act, means any act or omission made punishable by any law for the time being and does not call for a conviction, which definitely can only be on the basis of evidence led in a criminal proceeding. Stop. The standard of proof required in a criminal proceeding is quite different from that required in a disciplinary proceeding. Stop. The former being regulated by a higher standard of proof beyond reasonable doubt, while the latter governed by preponderance of probabilities. Stop. The court said that the Gratuity Act allows forfeiture of gratuity for misconduct constituting an offense involving moral turpitude, without requiring a criminal conviction. Stop. The provision of forfeiture gratuity under the act does not speak of a conviction in a criminal proceeding, comma, for an offense involving moral turpitude. Stop. Dictation ends.